Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs. Thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Happy New Year everyone. Happy 2023. I hope you all had an amazing festive season and I hope you got to spend Christmas with your loved one if you do celebrate Christmas. It is 2023 and this year I really want to kickstart things by getting back onto YouTube. I know I took quite a bit of a hiatus last year. I've not really been into YouTube lately, but I really want to get back into it because I do really love this platform. I still enjoy watching YouTube videos and yeah, I am really motivated to get back into it this year. So I would love it if you could engage in my channel again, and I will try to respond to your comments below. I know I've been really slack with that, so I really do apologize, but I am really motivated this year, so I'm gonna hit it full force. And I'm actually here today with a most worn bags of 2022. I usually do a best and worst video of the year. I missed out on last year's. This time I thought I'd just do the most worn bags of 2022 just because I really want to kickstart things with some positivity, and what better way than reflecting on some of my favorite bags. Now, last year I did actually purchase quite a few bags, and over the years I have purchased bags that I haven't actually revealed on this channel. So to try and get back into the swing of things, I'm actually gonna come back full force with a unboxing every day for 28 days, and that will be in February. So in February I plan, fingers crossed this all goes well, I'm putting it out there, you guys know, so you guys hold me accountable, but next month I do plan on putting out a video every day for the next 28 days revealing a new bag that I haven't actually shown on this channel. Some of them you may have seen sneak peeks of on my Instagram, but most of them you will not have seen before. So I'm really excited to do that, and those that I've already shared with you, I am thinking of maybe doing like a little review on it. So it'll be a mix of like reveals and reviews, but the plan is every day in February I will be uploading a new handbag video, so that is really exciting. And I'm kind of using this month to plan it just in case you know, there's any issues, because it's really hard when you're in the middle of everything with like work or events or things like that. So I have this month to plan it, so it should go accordingly. And yes, I unfortunately do have like 28 bags to reveal, which is insane. But bear in mind, this is over like the last 3 years that I've not really been sharing with you guys what I've been buying. So anyways, without further ado, today we are doing my most worn bags of 2022. Interestingly, picking out the items, I found a very obvious color scheme here, which is blacks and browns, very neutral this year. I think this year I have been socializing more. A lot has happened this year, so I actually think I'll do a Q&A. If you want me to do that, please put your questions in the info bar below, but I will also be doing like a question and answer type of thing on my Instagram. So if you have a question, post it down below or post it on my Instagram. But yeah, I will do Q&A just to update you guys on what's been happening for those who are curious. Last year I've been going out a lot more, doing a lot more things, so a lot of the bags that I chose were kind of like bags that go pretty much with a lot of different outfits that are really easy to style and really easy to use. Just so that it's quick for me to put an outfit together. So before I get onto the bags, I just wanted to say, if you are new here, welcome. My name is June. I am the doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. I love all things luxury, in particular handbags, especially vintage bags, pre-loved bags. I love them all. And so if that is your cup of tea, I would love for you to join my little YouTube family here and hit the subscribe button. It is free, but also if you could follow my Instagram and give me a follow there, I'd really appreciate it. I kind of want to grow my Instagram more, so any help in that regard would be so kindly appreciated. That would mean so much to me. Without further ado, let's get on to the bags. I'm not going to put them in any particular order because honestly I've used these bags throughout the year. I will say though, definitely up there, I'm sure you'd know if you follow me on Instagram, is this gorgeous Chanel seasonal flap. So this bag I bought in 2020, have used this non-stop. It's probably my most worn bag in the last 2-3 years. I did put it out there that when I got this bag, it would be a pretty tough contender for my Chanel small classic flap, and it's honestly been probably more used than that. The reason being is because of this top handle, which makes it so easy. I am a huge fan of anything with a little top handle because it's nice and easy to pick up and grab. And so when I pick between that and this, I really do gravitate towards this a lot more. I really love that the strap, you can use it as crossbody, but also if you wanted to, you could double up the strap just like that. So there you go, that's how you would use it. This bag I also love because it is really soft, it is really malleable, it's not too structured, which means you can put a ton of stuff in here. Like, it's not a double flap, so this whole compartment is just free to put your stuff in. This is not a bag I ever see myself letting go of. It's just an amazing bag. I love this bag so much. If I find it, I will post it in the info bar below because I know some of you guys have asked what this style is called. I honestly don't know. Switching things up, another classic favorite of mine, you would have seen this when I went to Adelaide. If you follow me on Instagram, I did post this a lot, but it is my Louis Vuitton bum bag. It is such an amazing bag. Again, this is a bag that is never ever leaving my collection. I can 100% say that now. Every time I use this bag, I honestly think to myself, like, damn, I love this bag so much. It is fantastic if you're traveling. It is a really versatile bag. I love that, like, it's got a really big compartment at the front, so it honestly fits so much. It fits headphones, it can fit a book. It really does fit a lot, and I've done a video before, but I don't think I posted it, but I can do another one for you, just in terms of what this fits and like my overall impression of it. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just a giant compartment at the front there. It's so wide and open, you can like find anything for the most part. Yeah, it's just a bag that I like use time and time again. It's so fashionable. I never wear it as like an actual bum bag. I use this as a crossbody type of shoulder bag, and it is just so cool and versatile. And what I love about it is this massive pocket at the back, which you can put your phone, your wallet, so it's really easy, because the only thing is when you open this up and you're wearing it, it can sort of open and all your stuff can come out, so that's the only thing you have to be careful about this. As I mentioned, this is not leaving my collection. It's got watermarks and stains, but for me, because it's a bag that I've used and loved, it's not bothered me anymore. So if you're looking out for this, I still would 100% recommend it. I'm not sure if they're discontinuing it. If they are, that's just really sad. If it's completely worn, I will get the Pochette replaced because I love this bag so much. Now, moving on to a more recent addition, I have to say this bag from Fendi, since I got it, I loved it. I absolutely adore this bag. This is the Fendi Zucca Baguette with the fur shearling. This is so gorgeous. When I wear this, people will stop me and compliment me on this bag, especially when I wear it with my velour strap. It is just a match made in heaven, and it's just so trendy, and I love the colorway of this. It is a really gorgeous like autumn winter bag, so I know that every year I'll be sort of using this. I do want to get more like shearling bags because they're so cute and fluffy and adorable. I love Kenny's Dior Shearling Saddle Bag. That is so gorgeous, and honestly, if I find that on the pre-loved market, I will without a doubt purchase it. If you don't know Kenny, go and follow him. I'll put his channel in the info bar below. He is a fellow Filipino, and he also loves handbags and lives in Melbourne. We really should catch up, but I love his Shearling Dior Saddle. This is my Shearling bag, and I really want to add more because they are stunning. But yeah, this is a really great addition, and this is one of the older pieces. So if you haven't seen my reveal on this, I'll put it in the info bar below. They do still sell this bag at Fendi, but it's a newer style, so it's a little bit different in how it looks. I preferred this because of the longer strap, which allowed me to wear it as an actual shoulder bag, which I love. The other ones, I feel like the strap on top is quite short, so it's more like a top handle. So and then back to Chanel. Definitely a favorite since adding it to my collection is this Chanel Duma backpack. I definitely have gotten a lot more wear out of the black one than the cream or the beige that I already have. The beige is beautiful for summer and spring, it really is, but it is a lot more, you have to be more cautious with that one, you have to be more careful, and this black one is just really easy and fuss free, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I do have a reveal video for this one also. I put it in the info bar below. I did also compare it to the white backpack, but really simple. I did overpay for this one. The prices on these are going back down, so pick one up if you want it. I think this is absolutely iconic. It's so 90s, it's so gorgeous, and I honestly think that this is more luxurious than any bag that you are going to get from Chanel in store right now. If you're looking for a backpack, I promise you, when you get this, compare it to a current Chanel backpack, you will be floored. So I really think, like, it depends on what you want, but if you want luxury, if you want something that is timeless, that is unique, that is classic, go for this. You will not be disappointed by this. It is absolutely gorgeous. The hardware on this is amazing. The leather on this is just sublime. Cannot rave about this bag more. And again, this will never leave my collection. These are honestly, like, I think these are like forever bags that I'm showing you guys. I don't know what it is, but 2022, like, I really gravitated towards certain bags last year. Moving on, so this one, I had to put it in. It's a bit boring because I've mentioned it many times before, but honestly, I swear to God, favorite bag, one of my most used bags of 2022 is my Chanel Speedy Mini HL. This is such a gorgeous bag. In fact, I actually gifted my little sister the same bag. So she also has a vintage mini Speedy HL. And also last year, Louis Vuitton came out with the updated version of this, which is the Nano. I like, regardless of the new bag and this bag, I think they're both gorgeous. Obviously, I prefer vintage. This bag, I bought it cheap as chips a couple of years ago, and I can't believe how much it's selling for right now. And the thing is, people are willing to pay that price, so save yourself some money, go pre-loved. You can get amazing condition of this bag for half the cost of a brand new one, and the only difference is honestly that the attachment is on the sides, but you just buy a separate strap and you can attach it onto these grommets here. Like, it really doesn't matter because it's such a small bag. It's not going to cause too much of an issue. Like, I love this bag. I actually love it, being able to hold it like this as a hand carry. So cute. Definitely not leaving my collection anytime soon. Okay, and then the last two bags, I don't know, like, it's a random number of bags, but the last two bags are just sort of bags that I've been gravitating towards a bit more recently, but definitely still one of my most used bags. The first one is this. So this is the Dior Saddle Bag. I love this bag. This is my current favorite saddle. I just love the color of it. It is so beautiful. Since we're in spring summer, this colorway has just been matching a lot of my neutrals, a lot of my whites I like to wear during summer, and then also in autumn it's a really beautiful bag to wear and use. This one is the leather version. I do have it in the oblique style as well, but I find that this leather version just looks really classy, and it sort of looks like the newer bags as well, but I do love this colorway. It is the most amazing caramel brown color. Absolutely gorgeous. I do love the saddle bags. I know some people are over it, but to me this is just a classic. I don't think I'll ever sell any of my saddle bag, but I don't think I'd ever get a brand new saddle just because they are very expensive. Honestly though, I don't mind adding a small saddle bag because the small saddle bags are so cute, even though they'll fit nothing, but there's just something about it. I don't know, I just love small tiny cute bags. But yeah, this is the saddle bag. So cute. I love it. And yeah, this one is just a really basic bag. I got it for not a bad price, but that's because it had pen marks on the front there, but who cares because no one's gonna see that. I still think it's worth getting even in 2023. I foresee myself wearing this still for many years to come, but that is just me. It's so timeless. Look, it even goes with my outfit now, so like all these bags that I'm sharing with you goes with my outfit right now really easily. So this is why I've pick them. Finally, last but not the least, very simple but has been a go-to, is this bag. So this is just the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. I know, really boring. Now the reason that I wanted to share this with you is because I've been really loving wearing this with my strap. I have this strap right here, which is the Louis Vuitton bandolier adjustable strap, I do believe. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it in the info bar below again. But this is what it looks like. One of my favorite straps. It's a very thick canvas strap that you can adjust to make it as a shoulder bag. So let me just show you. So this is the shortest that it comes. You can obviously wear the pochette with just the strap like so, and it's just, you know, simple, cute, very basic, but like very cute still. Or you can take it off and then attach this strap here. So this strap is a lot thicker, and if you don't want any vachetta because, you know, I don't know what activity you're doing, but you don't want any, you can do this. And so this is what that looks like. So this is a really cute, simple strap, but it looks a little bit more fashionable. But then also you could crossbody it. So if you are like myself and you don't mind a very short crossbody where it's just underneath your breast, almost like a bum bag style. And then if you wanted to lengthen it, you can also sort of longer, and you can use it as a crossbody just like so. And then you can lengthen it even further another one time by putting it in the middle. And this is really good for your like bandoliers where you need like a longer strap, or if you're really tall you can do this as well. But this is very long, like on me this is long, like yeah, see. So this is kind of like my going out bag because the whole thing is just made of canvas. So if I spill drinks or I get anything on it, I can just wipe it off. That's always what I worry about when I take a bag out to like a bar, or we go for dinner and we're going out after. I do get worried that it will get some wine or drink spilled, water, you never know. So this is sort of like a really safe but still a fashionable option to wear. And then yeah, if I don't want to wear it, like when I'm going over my my boyfriend's house, I can always just use this as just like a little pouch to put my toiletries, my makeup, you know, all that sort of stuff. So really versatile bag. I love this. As overrated as it is, as expensive as it is, I still love it. Would I purchase it now for the price? I'm not 100% sure because it's very expensive, but I do have it and I enjoy it. So like yeah, use that information as you will. But that is it, you guys. That is my most used bags of 2022. But yeah, we will see what the new year holds. I'm very excited for 2023. I hope you are too. Let me know what you're excited about this year. Also let me know if you want me to do like a wish list video. Let me know also what you think about me doing a reveal every day next month. I think that would be fun. I was kind of inspired by a lot of girls who did like daily videos. So special mention to Meredith. I've just recently discovered her. She's also a YouTuber in Sydney. She has the most amazing handbag collection. I discovered her through Dale, and those two are so cute together. But she did like, I think it was a collection miss, which is a collection every day, and that was just crazy, and that totally inspired me to sort of push myself. And even Babs from Babs Goes Vintage, she did like something very similar in August or October, I can't remember. But props to those girls, because it is hard to put out a video every week, let alone every day. But sometimes I think you just have to push yourself with some massive goal, and I think this is going to be it for me. And now is a good opportunity to do it because I'm really motivated, and we've got long summer days, so have a lot of like sun to film these videos. So that always makes things a little bit easier. I know I've rambled far too long, but it's been a while and I miss you guys. I love talking to you guys. So let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear from you. Comment in the comment section below. But anyways, that is it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As always, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.